Welcome to your Jody AI rundown for Nike on Friday, July 24, 2020. Sales to wholesale customers $3,408, $3,746 -9% -4%, $3,829 -2% 9%. Sales through Nike Direct 1,620, 1,508 7% 12%, 1,337 13% 23%. Total revenues $5,028, $5,254 -4%, 1%, $5,166 2% 13%. Earnings before interest and taxes $1,184, $1,323 -11%, $1,189 11%. As discussed previously, we entered into definitive agreements to sell our Nike brand businesses in Brazil, Argentina, Chile, and Uruguay and shift to a distributor operating model. NONU.S retail stores number. Nike brand factory stores 643. Nike brand inline stores, including employee-only stores, 52. Converse stores, including factory stores, 63. Total 758. International branch offices and subsidiaries of Nike are located in Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Bermuda, Brazil, Canada, Chile, China, Croatia, the Czech Republic, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hong Kong, Hungary, India, Indonesia, Ireland, Israel, Italy, Japan, Korea, Macau, Malaysia, Mexico, the Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Panama, the Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Russia, Singapore, Slovakia, Slovenia, South Africa, Spain, Sri Lanka, Sweden, Switzerland, Taiwan, Thailand, Turkey, the United Arab Emirates, the United Kingdom, Uruguay, and Vietnam. During the third quarter of fiscal 2020, we announced our intention to sell our Nike brand businesses in Brazil, Argentina, Chile, and Uruguay to strategic third-party distributors in an effort to more personally serve consumers in these respective marketplaces while driving Form 10-K28. Sustainable, profitable growth. And California passed the California Consumer Privacy Act, the CCPA, which became effective on January 1, 2020. For fiscal 2020, corporate includes the non-recurring impairment charge recognized as a result of our decision to transition our Nike brand business operations in Brazil, Argentina, Chile, and Uruguay to third-party distributors. A novel strain of coronavirus, COVID-19, was first identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019, and subsequently declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization. We also have manufacturing agreements with independent contract manufacturers in Argentina and India to manufacture footwear for sale primarily within those countries. Two other distribution centers, one located in Indianapolis, Indiana, and one located in Dayton, Tennessee, are leased and operated by third-party logistics providers. We do not own the Converse trademarks in Japan and accordingly do not earn revenues in Japan. 1. Running $3,830, $4,488 -15% -12%, $4,496 0% 4%. Nike basketball 1,508, 1,597 -6% -4%, 1,494 7% 9%. Jordan brand 3,609, 3,130 8 15% 16%, 2,856 10% 12%. Football, soccer 1,575, 1,894 -17% -14%, 2,146 -12% -6%. Training 2,688, 3,137 -14% -13%, 3,126 0% 3%. Sportswear 12,285, 12,442 -1% 1%, 10,720 16% 21%. Others, 5,113, 5,854 -13% -10%, 5,463 7% 9%. Total Nike brand wholesale equivalent revenues $30,608, $32,550 -6% -4%, $30,301 7% 11%. 1. The percent change, excluding currency changes, and the presentation of wholesale equivalent revenues represent non-GAAP financial measures. Our wholly owned subsidiary brand, Converse, headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts, designs, distributes and licenses casual sneakers, apparel, and accessories under the Converse, Chuck Taylor, All Star, One Star, Star Chevron and Jack Purcell trademarks. For example, effective January 1, 2020, the tax law in the Netherlands, one of the company's major jurisdictions, changed. There are provisions within our Articles of Incorporation and Oregon law intended to protect shareholder interests by providing the board of directors a means to attempt to deny coercive takeover attempts or to negotiate with a potential acquirer in order to obtain more favorable terms. For are located in Memphis, Tennessee, 2 of which are owned and 2 of which are leased. United States market. For fiscal 2020, Nike brand and Converse sales in the United States accounted for approximately 39% of total revenues, compared to 41% and 42% for fiscal 2019 and fiscal 2018, respectively. This includes, for example, the uncertainty surrounding the effect of Brexit, including changes to the legal and regulatory framework that apply to the United Kingdom and its relationship with the European Union, as well as new and proposed changes affecting tax laws and trade policy in the United States and elsewhere as further described below. We could be subject to changes in tax rates, adoption of new tax laws, additional tax liabilities or increased volatility in our effective tax rate and changes to U.S. or other countries' trade policies and tariff and import/export regulations, or our failure to comply with such regulations may have a material adverse effect on our reputation, business, financial condition and Form 10-K-15. Results of operations. General risks associated with doing business outside of the United States, including, without limitation, exchange rate fluctuations, inflation, import duties, tariffs, quotas, political and economic instability and terrorism. The increase in revenues reflected growth in the Korea and SOCO, which comprises Argentina, Uruguay, and Chile, territories of 14% and 6%, respectively, partially offset by declines in Mexico of 9%. For fiscal 2020, contract factories in Vietnam, Indonesia, and China manufactured approximately 50%, 24%, and 22% of total Nike brand footwear, respectively.